This paper presents a tool to assess competencies developed by children through a project based on digital storytelling creation. Digital storytelling is a technique which produces short multimodal digital narratives. It can be adapted to several purposes, such as to develop personal narratives, express reflections, provide information about a topic, create fictional stories, etc. Collaborative digital storytelling projects provide multiple opportunities for education. Students learn to use digital technologies to create multimodal texts and develop language and narrative skills. Digital storytelling also fosters teamwork and decision-making skills, motivation, and engagement. Cinema Project offers an example of an innovative experience based on collaborative digital storytelling. It was carried out at 6 rural schools of Asturias, Spain, during the academic year 2014-2015. This project was conducted by a university research team and supported by the Department of Education of Asturias. The experience involved 49 teachers and 282 preschool and primary education students. The educational focus was placed on developing children's narrative, communicative, digital, socio-emotional, and creative competencies. The assessment of students' learning was considered a core element of the process. With this purpose, an assessment tool was created in order to measure the competence level. The aims of this project were to create a community of practice within a virtual environment and to promote narrative, digital, socio-emotional, and communicative competencies in the students. The project was structured into 6 stages: organization, creation of a virtual community of practice, design of an assessment tool, creation of digital stories, final evaluation, and dissemination. An essential part of the project was the assessment of the competencies acquired. Thus, an assessment tool was collaboratively developed by all the teachers involved using Delphi method. The virtual community of practice provided a platform to help communication and to discuss the indicators. 32 qualitative indicators were identified and adapted to preschool and to primary education students. Finally, the assessment tool has been used to assess the pupils. The competencies and indicators took into account the characteristics of the project and the tasks involved. Firstly, because of the collaborative tasks, it was considered appropriate to include some socio-emotional competencies. Secondly, this project focused on digital storytelling construction, thus digital, narrative, and creative competencies were included. Finally, both oral and written communicative competencies were included. These are the indicators related to socio-emotional competence, digital competence, narrative competence, communicative competence, and creative competence. The Cinema project provides a model which could be transferred to other projects. It also offers an assessment tool that can be applied in other similar experiences since it focuses on the main abilities typically involved in digital storytelling creation projects. Digital storytelling has proved to be a suitable resource to carry out interdisciplinary projects and promote competencies. The experience has shown the versatility of this technique, which can be adapted to different educational levels and contexts. Finally, regarding the main benefits of the project, school teachers enriched their teaching with new didactic strategies. Schools performed an innovative experience focused on digital storytelling, and students developed several competencies and increased their motivation.